Looking to simplify your laundry routine with efficiency and style? High-Tech Picks brings you the best washer and dryer sets, combining powerful cleaning, smart features, and sleek design to make every load faster, easier, and more convenient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Electrolux 4.4 cubic feet washer and gas dryer. The Electrolux 4.4 cubic feet washer and gas dryer combo is a premium laundry solution for households seeking efficiency, convenience, and top-tier cleaning performance. This stacked washer and dryer tower, finished in sleek titanium, is designed to maximize space without sacrificing capacity or functionality. Its 4.4 cubic feet washer provides ample room for large loads, ensuring that bulky items like comforters, blankets, or multiple clothing items can be washed in one cycle, saving both time and energy. The matching 8.0 cubic feet gas dryer complements this with high-efficiency drying that ensures clothes come out soft, thoroughly dried, and wrinkle-free. One of the standout features of the Electrolux tower is Smart Boost premixing, which premixes water and detergent before reaching the clothes. This ensures deeper penetration of detergent into fabrics, providing superior stain removal and cleaner laundry compared to conventional washers. The system is also ENERGY STAR certified, allowing households to save on utility bills while contributing to environmentally conscious living. The washer offers multiple cycles to handle everything from delicate garments to heavily soiled items, giving users flexibility to customize their laundry routine according to fabric type and soil level. Overall, the Electrolux 4.4 cubic feet washer and gas dryer represents a thoughtful balance of power, convenience, and style. With high capacity, energy efficiency, and intelligent premixing technology, it delivers exceptional results while saving time, effort, and money. For anyone seeking a reliable, modern laundry tower, this Electrolux set stands out as one of the most efficient and feature-rich options on the market.
Number 2, Giantex portable washing machine with spin dryer. The Giantex portable washing machine with spin dryer is a compact, versatile, and highly efficient solution for apartment dwellers, small households, or anyone seeking a convenient alternative to full-size washers. This portable machine is designed with a humanized approach, offering separate wash timers, wash modes, and spin cycles. Users can adjust washing time, mode, and spin duration based on clothing type, ensuring gentle yet effective care for delicate fabrics and heavily soiled garments alike. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or even RVs. One of the most impressive features is the powerful spin dryer, which efficiently extracts up to 97% of water from clothes, significantly reducing drying time. This is especially beneficial for small spaces where conventional dryers may not be practical. The high-performance motor is both energy-saving and durable, offering a lower failure rate compared to similar machines while delivering thoroughly cleaned clothes. The large 20 pounds lube capacity, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, is sufficient for most daily laundry needs. The Giantex portable washer also emphasizes convenience and efficiency. Users enjoy easy-to-read controls, quick setup, and reliable performance without compromising washing quality. Despite its small size, the machine handles laundry effectively, making it a practical solution for people who need a compact, portable option without sacrificing results. Its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb daily activities, and the durable construction guarantees a long lifespan. Number 3, Giantex portable compact washing machine. The Giantex portable compact washing machine is a mini twin tub washer designed to make laundry simple, convenient, and space efficient. This semi-automatic machine allows users to set their own wash and spin times, offering flexibility for a variety of clothing types. With a washing capacity of 12 pounds and a spinning capacity of 8 pounds, it is ideal for small loads and lighter garments, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or vacation homes. Its compact twin tub design is practical, saving space while providing a full-featured washing experience. Operation is straightforward with separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing customization of cycles to meet individual needs. The 300W wash motor delivers powerful cleaning for tough stains, while the 120W spin motor efficiently extracts water, reducing drying time and effort. The design also includes safety features such as a cover plate for the spin tub to prevent accidents during operation. The built-in filter net simplifies cleaning and maintenance, ensuring the washer remains hygienic and efficient over time. Beyond practicality, the Giantex portable washer offers energy and water efficiency using less than conventional machines while maintaining high performance. It is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move or store when not in use. Despite its smaller footprint, it consistently delivers clean, fresh laundry with minimal effort, proving that compact washers can still meet household needs effectively.
Number 4. Maytag 4.7 cubic foot Pet Pro top load washer. The Maytag 4.7 cubic foot Pet Pro top load washer is a robust and practical choice for pet owners and busy households alike. With its generous 4.7 cubic foot capacity, it accommodates larger loads, including bulky bedding, towels, and pet blankets, making laundry day faster and more efficient. Specially designed to tackle pet hair, dirt, and odors, this washer ensures even the most challenging loads come out fresh and clean. Its top load design provides easy access and user-friendly operation for all ages. Multiple wash cycles and customizable settings allow users to select the perfect combination for delicate fabrics, heavily soiled items, or everyday laundry. Its durable construction is designed to withstand frequent use, and energy-efficient features help reduce utility costs without compromising performance. Convenience is also a highlight with intuitive controls and a spacious lid that makes loading and unloading simple. The washer's robust motor and advanced technology ensure consistent cleaning performance over time, making it a reliable option for households with pets or active lifestyles. Combined with efficient water usage and low maintenance requirements, the Maytag Pet Pro washer strikes a balance between power and practicality. Number 5. The Whirlpool High Efficiency Top Load Washer. The Whirlpool High Efficiency Top Load Washer is designed to simplify laundry day with smart technology, customizable cycles, and a large 5.2 cubic foot capacity. Equipped with a removable agitator, it allows users to tailor washing motion to different load types, providing deep cleaning for heavily soiled items while remaining gentle on delicate fabrics. With a 5.3 cubic foot capacity when using the impeller, this washer can handle large family loads efficiently, reducing the number of cycles needed and saving time. The design also simplifies detergent usage, enabling a soak, scrub, and wash process all in one spot, reducing mess and improving cleaning results. This combination of smart features, customizable settings, and powerful performance ensures that the Whirlpool High Efficiency Top Load Washer meets the needs of modern households. Upgrading your laundry setup has never been easier with these best washer and dryer sets. From high-capacity home towers to space-saving portable models, each option delivers powerful cleaning, smart features, and convenience. With Hype-Tech picks, you can choose the perfect set to simplify chores, save time, and enjoy fresh, clean clothes effortlessly every day.